Good day, everyone. You're welcome to today's class. Today, I want to carry out calculation involving monthly income of Mrs. Moraine. She spent 1 over 4 of her monthly income at a shopping mall, 1 over 3 at an open market, and 2 over 5 of the remaining amount at a mechanic shop. If she had 225,000 naira left, find her monthly income. Second, the amount spent at the open markets. We're going to use alphabet to represent a monthly income. Let X be used to represent a monthly income. Let X represent Mrs. Moraine, Mrs. Moraine, monthly income. We are not told a monthly income, we are told to look for a monthly income, but we are going to use letter to represent a monthly income before we know the value or the amount of a monthly income. And we are going to carry out fractional representation to know the amounts left. Is that okay? Now let's see. Mrs. Moran spent 1 over 4 of her monthly income at a shopping mall. Let's say amount spent, fractional amount spent on shopping mall. Okay, by Mrs. Moran equals 1 over 4 of our monthly income. This is 1 over 4 of X. X is our monthly income, 1 over 4 of, that's times. That's 1 over 4 times X, which is X over 4. Let's continue. Let's put the sign of it for each statement. Yes. Okay. We have 1 over 3 at an open market. Just a fractional amount spent. Fractional amounts spent at an open market by Mrs. Moraine equals 1 over 3 at an open market. That is 1 over 3 of X, which is 1 over 3 times X, which is equal to X over 3. Now, total fractional amount spent, total fractional amount spent equals X over 4 plus X over 3. Or the same, that's 12. 4 goes in 12, that's 3. 3 times X as 3X plus 3 goes in 12, 4 times X as 4X. 3X plus 4X, that is 7X over 12. 7X over 12. We're told that and 2 over 5 of the remaining amounts at a mechanic shop. Before we know the remaining amounts, let's see the fraction left. Okay, but this is the amount spent, total amount spent in both shopping mall and the open market by Mrs. Moraine. So let's say fraction left. Fraction left. If the total amounts, if X represent the monthly income, that's say X minus, let's remove the fraction spent on shopping mall and open market from it to know the fraction left. That's minus 7x over 12. What's the LCM? 12. 1 goes in 12, 12, 12 times x as 12x, minus 12 goes in 12, 1 times 7x as 7x. That's the subtraction. That's 5x over 12x minus 7x, that's 5x over 12. This is the fraction left. Now let's continue with the statement. 2 over 5 of the remaining amount are at a mechanic shop. The fractional amount spent at the mechanic shop, at a mechanic shop, at a mechanic shop, the mechanic workshop equals 2 over 5 of the fraction left of 5x over 12, okay, which is equals to 2 over 5 times 5x over 12. 2 here 1, 2 in 12, 6, 5 here 1, 5 here 1. That's fraction left is, sorry, fraction amount spent at the mechanic workshop because x over 6. X over 6. Now let's see the new fraction left. This is the fraction left. Let's see the new fraction left, because this is the fraction spent on mechanic workshop. A new fraction left, equals, this is the fraction left minus the one spent on the mechanic workshop. You are going to subtract the fractional amount spent on the mechanic workshop from the fraction left. In fraction left equals fraction left minus fractional amount spent at a mechanic workshop, which is equals to 5x over 12 minus x over 6. What's the SCM? SCM is 12. 12 goes in 12, 1. 1 times 5x, that's 5x, minus 6 goes in 12. That's 2. 2 times x, that's 2x, which is equals to 5x minus 2, that's 3x over 12. 3 here 1, 3 in 3 1, 3 in 12 4, which is equals to x over 4. This is the new fraction left, x over 4. There's a fraction left, 5x over 12. When you now look for fractional amount spent at the mechanic workshop, which is 2 over 5 of the fraction left, you have x over 6. You do the subtraction to get the new fraction left. Now what you need to do now is that to get a monthly income, you now equate, because x is standing as the monthly income of Mrs. Moraine, and you are told in the next statement that if she had 225,000 naira left It means that the new fraction left will be equated to the amount left, because this is the amount, real amounts left, while this is the fractional representation of the real amount left. They are equal, but this is the fractional representation. This is the amounts left. There is a fraction. This is the real value of the amount left. You have to equate them together. Now look for your x to get a monthly income. What should now do? Now say to get our monthly income. Now have x over 4, which is the new fraction left. Let's write as a statement. Get a monthly income, new fraction left, um, equals to the amounts left. Amounts left. And the new fraction left is equals to x over 4, which is equals to, don't forget that new fraction left equals fraction left minus fractional amount spent on the mechanic for shop. That's when you get x over 4. Okay? Equate it to the amount 225,000 over 1. Cross multiply. You have x times 1 equals 4 times 225,000. Let's multiply that. 225,000 times 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 5, 20, 0, carry 2. 4 times 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. That's 900,000 naira. X times 1, that's x equals 900,000 naira. Therefore, a monthly income, a monthly income equals 900,000 naira. The second part of the question, the first one, the second part says the amount spent at open market. Amount spent at the open market equals 1 over 3. You can see it. 1 over 3 at an open market. 1 over 3 of x, which is equal to 1 over 3 times, what is x? X is 900,000 naira over 1. 3 here, 1, 3 in 9, 3, 0, 0, bring it up, which is equal to 300,000 naira. She spent 300,000 naira at the open market. That brings us to the end of the class. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. And also don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. Thanks for listening. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.